We're gonna cook a cake. Old school, okay guys? We're gonna show you how to cook a cake old school in my yeah, close enough, 1 cup. No, that's enough. Pour that one in there.
In here?
Yeah.
Shouldn't we put the flour already in there?
Now the water.
What else?
We need 1/4 more water. Up to there. Yeah, close enough.
Cares, right?
And now we need 1/4 of oil. No, 1/3 of oil.
Oh wait, I gotta be down at eye level.
Stop. Making fun of my shirt again.
No. Okay, there. You can break the last one. Oh no.
Dude, we're so good at this. What if we did it wrong?
I don't know, you were the one that told me. You were like, oh. Come here, you little booger. Oh, it burns. Ow, ow. Just kidding. I think it's ready?
I think that maybe you need to poke it in there. See if it's ready in there. Because I think the sides are good. Yeah, I think it is ready. Don't poke it so much.
There, I think it's ready. Pimp. Here. Ah, what are you doing?
Eating the grass.
Here, clean it up.
I think, no, it says read the instructions. I think you have to put it in water. Maybe we put too much on that one.
I know. Gosh. That's you, Cindy.
The one without a face.
You have a face somewhere. Which one's you? This one's me. I look like a pimp.
The one with the face, okay. Maybe you need to wipe it off, you know?
Oh no.
You're making it worse.
There, your face is somewhere in there. Oh, look how pretty it is.
Maybe we were supposed to wait until that thing was dry.
You know what? Maybe. Maybe you're right.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe
Warm water does work, huh?
maybe you had to let him first.
Why so gloomy?
Stop. There's this is Lena. Why so serious, smart one?
Why so serious? Hey, you're messing mine up now.
I'm trying to make it perfect.
Can we get some hair on us?
Yeah, this is you because look. You have some bald spots.
Oh,
Because
okay.
you're a little bald.
Oh, okay.
You have long hair.
Okay.
This is Lena. Wait, she needs yellow hair. She's a blonde.
This is going on for like 5 minutes. Can I stop it?
No.
Okay. Now she has green hair.
With green eyes.
Very pimp. Very pimp.
Can't use this again.
That's me. That's me.
That looks so cool.